Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I thought I would sit down and go through my FabFitFun box for the fall season. It just came in the mail and I thought I would do a little unboxing and show you guys what I got for this season. Now, if you guys don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal box subscription. It comes out 4 times a year. This is the fall box and I purchased this on my own. It's $50 per box. I've been subscribed to this box for a little over a year now and I really enjoy it. I have found a lot of really new products that I have repurchased myself, so I really enjoy just kind of finding out about new products that I wouldn't necessarily purchase on my own if it didn't come in the box itself. So let's go ahead and dig in. The box comes like this. First, it comes with this little catalog that goes through everything that's in the box in detail. Now with the box, there are things that you can actually choose yourself to be added to the box and also things that they send out to you. I also did purchase a few add-ons as well. They usually sell add-ons for a very discounted price, so I will show you guys that in the end. So first off, what I see here is this beautiful scarf. This is one that I actually chose as well. So I think last year they came out with a poncho, so it's really nice that they came out with a scarf this year. Really nice material as well. You can kind of put it over like this. Keeps you nice and warm kind of in the winter seasons to come. I really like this. It's really pretty. Comes with little ruffles there. Next up we have this exfoliating sugar cubes. These are really interesting. Let's see. They smell like apples. So I guess these are little body exfoliating cubes. You can use them in your shower and just to exfoliate your body. These are they smell really good. This is definitely going into my shower. Like with every fall box, they come out with a hand cream or any cream of some sort. And this year, it's the Humankind cream. And it's, let's see, it says it's vegan and cruelty free. It is natural and it's a body souffle. Okay. It smells kind of like fresh. I really like a good hand cream, especially during the winter. Next up, we have a hair product from Aveda. This is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Cream. So I guess when you get out of the shower, you apply this to the ends of your hair. Oh, it's quite creamy. And it smells really nice. It doesn't have a really intense smell to it. And it's quite like a gel-like consistency, so you just apply it onto the ends of your hair and it keeps your hair from getting damaged. I really like to use these kind of products. I use the Briogeo. I also have the Moroccan oil one as well. So this is quite nice. I do like Aveda hair products. When I put highlights in my hair, I went to a salon that uses only Aveda hair color products, so this is quite nice. I'm really excited to use this one. This is an aromatherapy deep relax rollerball. This is also something that I chose. Let's see. Usually these kind of aromatherapy products come in lavender scent. Yep, and it sure does. So I guess you just apply this and it's supposed to relax you. This is really nice right before bedtime to kind of apply it onto your hands and kind of give you that relaxation. Now the final thing in the box that I was also able to choose are these bubble bar earrings. These are so pretty. Ooh. Okay, so they look like this. And I guess these kind of branch out onto your ear. I haven't tried this brand's accessories yet, so I'm really excited that it came in the box. Something else that came in the box was this lunchbox here. I actually chose this as well. This is a Kate Spade lunchbox. The color isn't something that I would necessarily choose myself, but for what it's worth, it's still cute. It does have out to lunch written right over here, and it is completely insulated. It's very good quality being Kate Spade. With this one, you could have also chosen a ceramic cheese board, but since I chose the lunchbox, I was able to add on this cheese board for $10, which isn't too bad. And I don't have anything like this, so I figured I would also add this on here. This is really cool to kind of add your cheese and crackers on the side. It's very good quality too. It comes in wood, and this area here where you apply the cheese is kind of like a ceramic. So I thought it was pretty worth it. Now with the box, I also added a couple more add-ons. Like I said, add-ons are quite discounted when you get them through FabFitFun, so I highly do recommend them. So what I got for this season is this beauty blusher. It's a beauty blender, but it's a little bit smaller, and what it is, it's more for blush, and it's not the $20. I believe this one was only $8. Something else that I added on, which was quite exciting, is this Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. I really enjoy this sheet mask. Last year they came in the box. This year they were more of an add-on, and I immediately made sure to apply these because they're really good. I love the hydration that they give you, and also they're quite fun as well. Last but not least, something else that I used as an add-on are these Sponagle sponges. Now these are quite interesting. I have been eyeing them out for a while. They're really expensive on the actual website, but as an add-on through FabFitFun, you get them at quite a discounted price. I got quite a few of them. I got the, let's see here, this is the Bulgarian Rose Duet. This one comes with 2 sponges, and let me open them up for you guys. So they look like so, and they include a soap in it. Oh my god, this smells so good. It's so intense as well. And the sponge itself, so you can use it for 30+ washes and then you just throw it away. I also got this seasonal scent in pumpkin spice. This one comes like so. Oh, it looks like a little flower. This smells so good. Wow, this is really nice. Love this one. It's not really spicy at all, actually. It has like a musky type of scent, but it's quite nice. And then I also got this infused buffer in beach grass as well. I feel like this would be more of a summery type of scent. Let's see. Oh, this one is beautiful. This smells really, really good. But I will be sharing these with my mom for sure. I know she will love them. So half for her, half for me. And that's it for my FabFitFun review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these kind of videos, please be sure to comment below and let me know, and I will continue to go ahead and review my FabFitFun boxes for you guys. The next box will be the winter box, so be sure to let me know if you guys like these kind of videos and I will review that box for you. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week.